Okay, let's do this. On the right side you see the result of my code. On the left side you see the code itself. If you want a copy of this code, you will find a link in the description below. If you want to find out how this code works, I will go over that right now. So first I will define the width and height of my level. I also need a random element, so I will import the random module. I define settings for a drunk character, so imagine a drunk character moving at random, taking away walls as it encounters them. The wall countdown allows the drunk to take away 600 walls. The padding defines the border width around my level. The x-coordinate is half the level width, and the y-coordinate is half the level height. This makes the drunk start at the center of my level. I need to generate a level filled with walls that looks something like this. This level is a 2D grid with rows, and each row is filled with wall columns. To generate each row, I use this getLevelRow function. This function multiplies a wall times the level width. This generates a list with width number of walls. Now I can generate the level. Here I call getLevelRow function a level height number of times. So this generates a height number of rows, and each row will be filled with walls. Now I will spawn the drunk character. The character will keep moving until the wall countdown hits 0. I redefine the x and y coordinates for readability. I check the current position of the level, and if it's a wall, make it an open space, and I reduce the wall countdown. Now I will make the drunk move in a random direction, and the drunk can move in 4 directions. So I request a random number between 1 and 4. If the roll is 1, and the drunk is within the padding, move to the left. If the roll is 2 and the drunk is within the padding, move to the right. Now for the right side I subtract 1 from the level width. This is because the level index number starts at 0 and not at 1. Now I can do the same for the y coordinate. If the roll is 3 and the drunk is within the padding, move up. And if the roll is 4 and the drunk is within the padding, move down. And finally, once the drunk is done taking away 600 walls, I print each row of my level on screen. And that's it. Now I can procedurally generate 2D cave-like levels. I hope this video has been useful to you. Thank you for watching.